Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe because on this channel, we discuss investing, insurance, and anything that will get your money right. You don't want to miss out on our next drop. In today's video, we'll be talking about 6 best investing and trading apps for beginners. According to this article here by Bankrate.com, it says it has never been easier to get started investing thanks to an array of online brokers and robo-advisors that put financial markets in the palm of your hand. The best investing app for beginners simplifies the process of picking stocks and ETFs to help you build an investment portfolio. They provide a clean user experience of what can be a confusing landscape for beginner investors. These 6 investing hubs stand out for providing easy trading, portfolio management services, and helpful educational resources. Now, let's start with number 1. The first website here says Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is one of the best online brokers, and its app has plenty to offer beginners. You get low-cost trading, access to fractional share investing, great for those with a limited budget to buy stocks, along with a deep well of research and educational resources that new investors will find useful. Plus, Schwab has some of the best customer support around. Here are the key features. Commission-free trades on stocks and ETFs. Fractional shares. Includes access to watch list, news, and charting functionality. Top-notch customer service. Now let's check out the website. It's easy to use. As you can see, it says, "We're investing your way is our way." If you want to create an account with them, just go to schwab.com. Then you create an account. As easy as that. Now let's check the number 2 on the list. Number 2 on the list is Robinhood. I know everybody must be familiar with Robinhood. Robinhood's streamlined mobile app and commission-free trades on stocks, ETFs, options, and crypto open up a world of investing for the mobile-first crowd. The platform is easy to use and supports fractional share investing in stocks and ETFs, which makes it popular with beginners who often start with smaller sums. Now let's check out Robinhood's website. It's a very popular stock trading platform. This is how the website looks like. Nothing crazy, just click on Get Started. When you do, you'll be provided an option to create an account. As you can see, you can sign up through this tab. As easy as that, you get yourself a Robinhood account. Now let's go to the third one. The third one here says Webull. Though often mentioned in the same breath as Robinhood, Webull offers a more fully featured mobile app with a comprehensive lineup of features many investors will appreciate. Commission-free trading extends beyond stocks and ETFs to include options. You can open an account with no minimum deposit. For investors who want to try their hand at trading more exotic options, Webull also offers features like crypto, though you will need to use a separate app, Webull Pay, to trade your favorite coins. Now let's check out Webull. This is the official page of Webull. It's easy to create an account. Just click on Sign Up, input your email and password, verify, and that's it. You get yourself a Webull account. Now let's go to the next one. The next one here says Fidelity Investments. Fidelity has one of the best financial platforms around and can handle just about anything a typical investor is looking to do. You'll get low-cost trading, access to various retirement accounts, thousands of non-transaction fee mutual funds, and access to a low-cost, highly rated robo-advisor, Fidelity Go. Fidelity is a great choice for investors looking to keep most of their financial life with one firm. Now let's check out the official platform. Here's Fidelity's official page. This is how it looks. Like every other platform, you just need to sign up. You see the Open an Account button, input your information, and there you go. You have yourself a Fidelity account. Now, let's go to the next one. The next one here says Betterment. Betterment is one of the best robo-advisors and is a good fit for investors who want an investment portfolio to be managed automatically. They build a portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance using ETFs. There is a 0.25% annual management fee, but it's less than what you would pay for a traditional financial advisor. And if you have less than $20,000 across all accounts, Betterment will waive the fee if you set up a recurring deposit. Now let's check out the app. Here is Betterment's official page. As you can see, it's a straightforward website. Just like other investment apps, all you need to do is click on Get Started, log in, create an account with your email, and that's all. You'll have yourself a Betterment account. Now, let's go to the next one. The next one here says Wealthfront. Wealthfront is another top choice for those looking for a robo-advisor to manage a portfolio, but also a place to serve as command central for your other investing and banking needs. Wealthfront portfolios are built using low-cost ETFs and include features such as tax loss harvesting and automatic rebalancing for a 0.25% annual management fee. Beyond automated portfolio management, it also offers commission-free stock and ETF trading and a feature-rich cash management account with checking, bill pay, fee-free ATM access, and more. Wealthfront even won the top spot in the 2025 Bankrate Award. Now, let's check out Wealthfront. Here's how the website looks. It's very seamless and modern. If you want to create an account, just click Get Started, and that's all. You'll have yourself a Wealthfront account. That will be all for today's video. If you liked our video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.